Boop. Hello guys, so if it looks like I completely changed what I'm wearing, it's because I did, and also if I look a little different than that last one, it is because I totally, the file that was for that one got screwed up. If you didn't notice, also, it's not October anymore, so this video is coming out as like, honestly at this point, it's like a joke. So I hope you guys take it okay. But I wanted to upload this video. This is the only one I got done all October. For anyone who didn't know, or if I haven't already said it, I work at a chocolate store. Our busiest time of the year is October, so got almost nothing done. That's why there was no uploads October. You kind of have some backstory. Beyond that, I hope you guys enjoy this video. We're going to be painting with some fake blood. Hopefully I don't get this video shut down because I'm painting with fake blood, but we hope. It's fake blood. I mean, it could be real, but no, I'm joking. I'm joking. It's not real. I promise. Cross my heart. Also, fun fact, and after saying that, just, in the past week, just to add to it, I did cut my my thumb off. I'm not gonna show it completely because it's pretty gross. But anyways, that's why I didn't cut it completely off. I'm such an idiot. Anyways, let's get into the video and let's go. So what I'm doing right here is I start out by doing a sketch, and as you can see there, I have some fake blood that I got from my actual grocery store. I will say that I was having a lot of problems when I actually filmed when I filmed some of the videos that are coming up at the moment. I had a lot of videos that I don't know what happened, but files got corrupted. Honestly, I would say it's Halloweenish, but I'm pretty darn sure that it's just crap with my computer and my phone. So there's going to be a moment coming up right here. So what I did is I have some little cups and I have some water to dilute the blood so it could be a little bit thinner, but I poured the blood into this little cup right here, and I will be really honest, the next scene we go to, the blood is already on the picture. For some reason I did not record it whatsoever. I've been having a lot of trouble with that. I think it's recording and it turns out it's not. But what I just did was I spattered some blood, and if I wanted it darker I would add an extra layer to it. But I had a lot of fun creating her. I wanted to do, I really enjoy gory art. I actually grew up a lot doing some really gory art, which sounds kind of scary, but that's why I wanted to do this. I actually love fake blood. I have a really deep love for it, and so it was just really fun to do this, of these vampire-esque characters and doing kind of that distraught look. I used some of my watercolors just to give it a little bit of that dark, I'd almost say vintage, black and white film look to it. And I don't know, I really loved adding the blood and just having some fun spritzing it around. So I'd definitely say my art inspiration for this is just have a lot of fun, guys. Hey guys, so here is the finished work. This one I actually, sorry, I just leaned down to try and get the other picture. So this one I actually did get the full video. I'm sorry guys that this one kind of got screwed up, but I hope you guys like seeing two different works of art using fake blood, fake vampire blood, so of course I had to do vampires. If you guys want to see one that's a werewolf, if this video does well and you guys enjoy it, which I only know if you comment below and let me know if you enjoy it, as well as liking it, either one. I may do a werewolf video. Also comment below if you'd like to see that one happen. I can do it as a bonus video because I'm pretty much planning out all the rest of the videos that will be coming out for all of October. A little bit early just because I'll be having things going on in November, and so I'm trying to get everything done for both of those. But I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much again for watching, and remember guys, stay inspired, stay spooky, stay scary, stay vampiric, and just remember, you can always have a little blood here and there. But enjoy this. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more weekly art inspirations, my little art sprites. And with that said, you can check out some more videos up here, subscribe over here, and like down below. Have a spooktacular day.